friends, this is our program of C++ in which we are going to add today the two integer numbers. Let's see what is the main features of this program and what will happen after compiling it. I have said for you to save your time. It's a complete program. Let's see that what happened after compiling this program. I am just pressing Ctrl plus F9. Okay, Ctrl plus F9. See what is the result of this program. 100 and 200. Any of your data which contains any two different digits, you can easily add up in this program, that is known as the C++ program. If you want to press any other digits, so let's see after again compiling, for example 40 and the number is 50, so see the result is sum is 90. Okay, now next step is to explain for you. This is the first line of this program. The first line of this program, that is the buffer or the hash include iostream.h. The buffer include is the part of the source code which needs to be executed before it is compiled into an executable file. Buffer include is used to add header files. These header files with H extension contain prototype of some functions, also known as the library functions, which you use in your C++ code. IOStream, if I explain only IOStream, so it is used to invoke the commonly used functions like cout, cin in a C++ program. IOStream stands for input output stream. Okay, the next line of this program indicates the console input output header files. It indicates that user is going to take console input from device and will give some output. This is header file in C language. Mostly it is written in Turbo C++ compiler. Void main indicates that the main function will not return any values, but integer main indicates that the main can return integer type value or integer type data. This is the open parenthesis. After this you are writing or typing. You are typing the data of the remaining part of the body of this program or the content of the program. Integer a and b indicates that you are going to declare two variables. A and b are variables here which contains same data type integer. Integer denotes this int integer. Integer denotes the integer type of data. CLR, SCR, this is the clear the screen so that you can watch your output before any kind of interruption. Cout, we use the cout or C++ out statement is the instance of the OStream class. It is used to produce output on the standard output device, which is usually the display screen. The data needed to be displayed on the screen is inserted in the standard output stream cout using the insertion operator. These are insertion operator. Okay, cin a and b means that the cin object in C++ is an object of the class IOStream. It is used to accept the input from the standard out input device as keyboard. It is associated with the standard C input stream stdin. The cin refers to character and in means input, hence cin means character input. The next line of this program is integer sum a plus b.